Let me show you the functions and components of 90EPD. The first is the temperature probe. This multimeter can be used to measure temperature, and you can see that the workmanship is excellent. The next thing is the test leads of the multimeter, which are of good quality. The next one is the attached manual. The last is our 90EPD multimeter. Let's look at the details. The rubber on the back can hold the test leads, and it has a folding bracket, which is suitable for placing on various flat surfaces, and it is more convenient to read data. The unfolding angle is nearly 90 degrees. Now we connect the other end of the test lead to the 90EPD, and make sure it is fully connected. Test the resistance value. The screen backlight can be turned on when the ambient light is dark. You can get the data in a moment. Press the select button to test the diode value. The next step is the on-off test. Try it with an iron wire. Now, test the battery voltage. Pay attention to the shift position in the connection port of the test lead. The same can also be used to test the AC voltage. Scan the QR code to download and install. You can connect to the product to view data and perform remote detection anytime, anywhere. The QR code is synchronously printed on the instruction manual, and the app has a recording function. When the 90EPD is turned on, it will automatically connect to the mobile phone and synchronize the data. Then test the AC voltage and DC voltage. You can see that the recorded data can be exported in two formats.